What's up, guys? Welcome back once again. The market is about to open any second. I'm day trading NASDAQ futures MNQ. Today is April 9th, 2026, Thursday, and it looks like the only red news event we had today was PCE, GDP, and unemployment. That all came out. I haven't even checked that to see what the numbers were, but if you look at the charts at around 7:30, there wasn't any huge moves, not much volatility from it, so I'm not sure what effect it'll have in the price action today. But all right, the market's open. Let's see what kind of price action we have. Maybe we can get a few good trades in today, at least maybe a couple. Alright, I'm going to take that short there, if I can get a feel.
Order filled.
And just leave myself exposed down to this gap, just in case we get a strong push down, but I'm not necessarily going to count on that huge of a move. Really just trying to get 10 or 15 points, but let's see what happens. See if the bears can push it down. In where?
Order canceled.
Okay, I went ahead and took that off there. If we get a strong close at the low of bar 6, I might take another short. Okay, so this is why I went ahead and took profits on that short, because we are still sitting above this EMA on the 1 hour. We're right here at the 20. On the 15 minute, you may not be able to see that because of the camera's view right here, but we're sitting at support on the 1 hour and the 15, so that's why I wasn't counting on that huge move down. So instead I went ahead and locked in some profits. I'm up 339 so far on the day, and then if bar 6 were to get a strong push down and a strong close, then I could take another short and target this fair value gap down here from yesterday. So this goes back to, like I said yesterday, if there's a potential big move like that, a lot of times it's best to split it into 2 or even 3 trades instead of trying to catch it all at one time. So sometimes you miss some of the move, but most of the time you'll lose a whole lot less trades by splitting it in to a few different little scalps instead of trying to make a huge swing. The win rate's going to be much higher just going for those quick momentum scalps, trying to get 10 to 20 points. Sometimes if you leave yourself exposed to more profits, sometimes you'll get a strong push and you'll lock in 40 or 50 points on a lot of those. But I would rather go for 2 or 3 smaller scalps and have a higher win rate than try to go for a huge swing and have a lower win rate. That's just my preference. So candle 6 kind of hesitated. It was a bull bar, so some bulls did step in there, and that could have been the bulls that were trapped here. If bulls got in there, they got trapped. So this could have been bulls selling for a loss. So now the bears could be taking control, pushing us lower. So I'm not sure if I can catch this now. I really need 2 consecutive bear bars to take to be confident in taking a short there. So if bar 7 can close something like it is now, bar 8 closed a little bit below bar 6, close to its low, then I could catch most of that move, but we just have to see how it plays out. Okay, so as of right now, it's 9:41 a.m. I've still only taken this one trade here, this short. From that one trade, I got about $339. Price action just got really choppy. I was hoping to catch another short down towards these fair value gaps here from yesterday, somewhere in this range. We haven't seen enough clear momentum towards that yet for me to want to take a trade, so as of right now, I'm just going to call it a day, and I might monitor the charts a little bit longer just in case, but most likely I'm done for the day, so I'm just going to go ahead and end the video there. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Comment if you got any questions. The link to my Discord is in the description section on the channel. Hop in there if you want to ask more questions and get quicker responses, and just have access to the educational stuff and just learn faster. I'll share anything I can in there to help people learn this stuff faster, because it is a very difficult, long process, but when you have somebody that's already been through it, it makes it a little bit easier. So thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.